Hey y'all, it's me, Fifi. So, real quick, Dollar General, they have an instant savings on the Vaseline products. So, what you're going to do is you're going to pick up two Vaseline lotions, pay $2.50. You're going to clip the $3.50 off two digital coupon that's right there. And on top of that, they have an instant savings that's going to come off as well. So, go to Dollar General, pick up two Vaseline lotions, not those right there, but the smaller size, the 6.8 ounces. You're going to pick up those two. The deal is going to apply. Those are the ones that I picked up. I did two transactions. Here is my receipt. You're going to pick up two and pay $2.50. And it gets better. Submit your receipt to Fetch and you will get points. If you don't have Fetch Rewards, use my code R275F.